Ready to move your crypto or cash off Coinbase? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw funds directly from the Coinbase website, ensuring a secure and hassle-free process. First, log into your Coinbase account on their website, then locate and click the Send, Receive button, typically found on the top right of your screen. This is your gateway to initiating a withdrawal. A window will pop up. Now select the Withdraw tab. This is crucial because it tells Coinbase you want to send funds out of your account. Next, use the drop-down menu to choose the specific cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Make sure you select the correct one to avoid any errors. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw, then carefully paste or type in the correct withdrawal address. If withdrawing crypto, double, even triple check this address. It's the most critical step if withdrawing to a bank account that is already linked to your Coinbase account. Select the appropriate linked account. Before finalizing, Coinbase will show you a confirmation screen. Scrutinize every detail: the amount, the currency, and especially the withdrawal address. A typo here can mean lost funds. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, and you really should enter the code from your authenticator app, this adds an extra layer of security to your transaction. After confirming, you'll see a confirmation page. Note the estimated processing time. It varies depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion, and that's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Coinbase.